If you're new here, we bring everything beauty brought to you by the queen herself. And if you're joining us again, my love, it's so good to see you. So happy Monday, first and foremost. And secondly, today we're about to get into a little get ready with me for my recent photo shoot. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's go. Alright, boo, so obviously we starting with primer because if you ain't priming, you're doing it wrong. Then I'm mixing up the perfect shade of foundation. Do y'all see her? Good. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and blend that out with a brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty blender with setting spray. Then we're going to go ahead and with some concealer and some setting powder. So sorry, we're going fast here, but keep up. Then we're doing brows. We're just going to give them a nice little shapey or whatever. And clean them bad boys up with some P. Louise base. And I'm actually going to take the P. Louise base all the way down onto my eyelid to prep my eye for the eyeshadow. Then we're going in with my new palette. Peep this bad boy. Oh my god, the rainbow. Anyway, a little bit of brown shadow, and then I'm just adding a little bit of black eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye, blending that out with the brown eyeshadow. Look at that difference right there. The blend is given, baby. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Then we're going in with this Dazzle stick from KVD Beauty, and girl, let me tell you, this is the only tin you need. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna add so much sparkle while you blend it out with the last eyeshadow, and bang, taking that black eyeshadow right underneath the waterline, finishing the eye look, contouring the face. You know, we can't miss that step, and adding a little bit of liner on my lid. And I also use my eyeliner to make some little moles, but I obviously ain't doing that shit yet. Here's my mascara, and here go my little moles. I told y'all it was coming. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Anyway, moving on to blush with my pretty gem brushes and throwing some dang lashes on, some natural ones, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to outshine the group or nothing, or maybe I am. Then a little bit of highlighter, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make sure we blending these hoes, and setting spray. And don't get setting spray on your mouth, tastes nasty. And then we doing my favorite lip look. Look at this. Blend that pinky into that brown, girl. Wait till y'all see the final look. Yeah, get into it. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw our little wig on. Little ain't nothing about her little. What am I talking about? Look at her, inches. She said hit like, baby. Anyway, throwing this bad boy on so I can see how it's laying. Y'all know the link for this wig is in the description box. Let me tell you, this lace is 10. It's 10, okay? So let me tell y'all, it's giving invisible, it's giving scalp, it's giving, baby, this is my freaking hair. Anyway, going ahead and throwing on my wig glue and using my blow dry to dry until clear before pulling that bad boy down tight and pressing it into the glue with my edge brush. That's what I'm doing right here. You gotta make sure that hoe laying down, like she ain't lifted nowhere no time soon. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and wrap her up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure she laying down, lay it down tight, tie it down so tight your head start losing circulation. I know it's a struggle, but it's only for a little while. You're gonna be all right. Then we're gonna wait it out and go pick out an outfit, and I chose this cute orange dress I got from Goodwill with these cute little mules from Burlington and this baby bag. Girl, it's a fit. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and take the scarf off and prepare to lay these edges. Now, if y'all need help laying edges, I want y'all not to ask me, but if you do need some pointers, all I can tell you is put that mousse on like it's a toothbrush and hold and swoop. Anyway, put your head wrap back on, and then we're gonna go ahead and change into our fit. Ooh, girl, oh, you look nice. And this is a little sneak peek of my shoot that I ended up doing this day. Anyway, y'all already know that you are the best. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.